Hey traders, this is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading, and I'm going to show you 3 really good trade opportunities, potential setups that we're going to look at right now. But before we do that, I need you to do 2 things for me. First of all, I need you to leave a comment, and I also need you to tweet this on Twitter. The reason I need that is because everything we do at Winner's Edge Trading is to help traders learn, and we need you to be interactive in order to learn, and so that I know that you guys understand what's being said and that you're following along. So before I go ahead and get into the trade, I would like for you guys just to take a minute and go ahead and write your comment in the box below, and then tomorrow I would like for you to write on whether you followed the trade or not, and also if you made money or lost money. So let's just practice that, because I need you guys to be interactive. If you're not interactive, we're not going to be posting these trades anymore, because I need participation, or I think I'm wasting my time. So let's go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll go ahead and get to the trade. Great. Thank you for participating. So let's pull this pound odd into the box here. You can see that the pound odd is an uptrend, and now that we've retraced back a little bit and we're currently into some support levels, you can see that we're playing around with some support, and it's looking like it wants to take off to the upside back to some new levels. So this is a daily time frame on the pound odd. What I'm going to do now is zoom up to the hourly to try to find our entry. Okay, let's straighten this out a little bit. Try to get this. Okay, so you can see we're breaking out right now. It went back and it retested, and it looks like it's trying to go. So I'm going to take a look at this, and you can see that it looks like it could move. So I'm just going to go ahead and put an order in right now, and you guys can follow along if you'd like. And one cool thing about our trading room is that we give you guys amazing tools. So you see these words up here. This is our Epic Trade Management tool, and what it does is it manages your risk on your trade. So I'm going to show you how it works. You just click lines here, and you put your lines in, and it puts your stop losses and your targets. And so I'm going to do a target right here up to the top of this, and I'm going to put my stop just below this level. Okay, and then now over here you can't really see it. Let me just drag it in so you can see it. There's a little buy button, and I'm going to go ahead and drag that button, and you'll see it'll take the trade. Execute order, okay. And now I'm in the trade, and it risked my stop loss and my target at 2%. So now I'm in the trade. You guys can follow along if you want. You can set your risk whatever level you want, but I'm setting mine at 2% here. Okay, now on to the next trade. The next one is Euro Pound on a daily. Here's the euro, the pound. Let's take a look at what we got. You can see we're at a support level, and this is another pound trade, so you have to remember that in consideration. But it looks like we're at a support level here, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my tool that I like to use, that we created just for everyone. Okay. And I'm going to go up here. This is the Epic tool. I'm going to put my lines in. And now I'm going to put my target. You notice that it was a sideways market here. And so back to where it was previously at support, we're kind of going sideways. I'm going to put my target not quite to the top, but I always want to go at least 2 to 1. Here we go. We're moving out. I'm going to click the buy button, and there we have it. Okay, so there's my entry, my target's right here. Okay, now the last trade that I'm going to do is the odd CAD. Let's take a look at the odd CAD. And this one I'm not actually going to take in front of you, but I'm going to set up a pending order if I can find the chart. There we go. Okay, odd CAD. On the daily, it's made a bounce. It's moved up, and now we are currently in a little bit of a consolidation. So let's So we're looking for either a break to the upside or a break of this current consolidation to the downside. So let's zoom into an hourly chart a little bit. Okay, we got our hourly. You can see, I'm going to redraw this line. You can see we're looking for a breakout here. So with this tool, you can use pending orders if you want, or you don't have to. But what I'm looking for is a breakout to the upside of this, because we're currently on an upward momentum. I'm looking for a breakout to the upside here. So if we get that break, I'm going to go long. So what you'll be, this is a trend line. You can draw your trend line in place. So for those of you that are following along, if you're not here now, or if you're not able to take this trade now, which I'm not, I just want you to watch this trade. And if it goes up, you go long. We want our target to be up in this range, the 97 area, and our stop loss would be below either this tail or that tail, whichever one you are more comfortable with on your risk, and that's what type of trade we're looking for. So if you're able to follow along with me tomorrow when we post the recap, I would like for you to be able to leave your comment and tell me how you did on these trades. And remember to also share it on Twitter. That's very important that we're sharing it on Twitter and that you're leaving your comments, because like I said, if you're not following along, there's no reason for me to post these trades. And if I'm not helping people, there's no reason for me to be posting these trades. So I need your participation. Okay, thank you.